So today I have felt sick all day. I still do for the most part, but I've realized something, and that is next year I will definitely be going to a film school. And it's because I realized I was sitting in journalism this morning before me not feeling well, totally, like, before the sickness totally hit me. And I realized I started writing a script, and it felt amazing, and I love writing scripts. And that's really what I want to do with my life. And maybe in a few years I won't want to do that with my life, but right now that's what I want to do. And I hope that the rest of this year will still be great, despite maybe not doing what I love. But I really hope the rest of this year here at Carleton University will be amazing, because I've met so many great people this year. I've made amazing friends along the way, both people that I live on residence with, and met some really awesome people as residents. And it's been a great experience, and I know it's only like a month and a half into school, which is crazy, and I really hope that the rest of this year will be great, and I will not have completely regretted my decision to come here. Which, in all honesty, I don't regret the decision to go to Carleton University at all, because first year is about exploring, it's about just really realizing what you want in life. And while a lot of people think that you're supposed to be your senior year in high school, it's not, because when you go to university or college or military or whatever you do, you're supposed to be deciding what you want to do in life. And you know, that's what first year's all about, and that's what I've really discovered. And I really hope that the rest of this year will show me, and I'll learn things that I want to use for the rest of my life, which I already have in many ways. So basically, I want to make movies that bring out things that maybe not a lot of people see, as well as writing like horror flicks and, I don't know, cheesy horror movies. I don't want to write cheesy horror movies, but they're fun to watch. And life's about being happy, so who cares about money and all that, because there are just a few things you need in life, and that is food, shelter, basic necessities, but most importantly, to be happy, because some people can have not a penny but be the richest people in the world because they're doing what they love. And that's the most important thing in life, and that's what I really hope for. So I hope you all enjoyed this.